Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing good. I know it's been a minute. Life pretty much is all I gotta say. We're all used to it at this point. But there is a TPC or Planners Collaborative sale coming up this week. So it is let's see. Today is the 8th. It starts tomorrow. So it goes from the 9th through Easter. If you're not a part of the TPC group on Facebook, definitely join. But I wanted to show you these shops because I got these in the last TPC sale, which they have one every month. And I wanted to share them just in case you guys saw something you wanted to grab. First up, so I only have the 3 orders. Let me get my invoice out here. The first one is BeyondPaperFlowers, and I got this little light of mine weekly kit and the Beachin' weekly kit, like beaching without the G. So we will start off here with the freebies, and each cycle of the TPC has a different theme, and this last cycle in March was 90s, so I got some little Nerds guys, best candy in the 90s, the BeyondPaperFlowers TPC Nerd freebie, and then the Lip Smacker date covers. I couldn't think of what they were. But yeah, so those are really, really cute. And let's jump into what I purchased. So her kits are on it's a smooth mat. I wouldn't say it's premium. It's a little thicker, so it will definitely stand up to, you know, writing on it, but it will take pretty much any pen. This is the Beachin' kit. I'll just start up here. You can see you got seagulls and boats and shells and waves and all the pretty things for summer, and then 3 habit trackers, and they have little glitter outlines. And then the second page is, it's a very simple little mini kit. 9 half boxes, some circles, some scripts, the check flags, and then the glitter, what do you call those, teardrops. So that is the Beachin' kit, and then this is this little light of mine, which I felt like was summer and lightning bugs. I miss lightning bugs so much. I've never seen lightning bugs in Washington State, but I'm from North Carolina and originally from Pennsylvania, so lightning bugs were like a normal thing you'd run around and catch and do this with them. So this one is a little bit different. You have 7 full boxes on the first page, 2 of her like scallop glitter half boxes, a small weekend banner, the 3 habit trackers. This one has date covers, a tall box, 2 more of those scallops, some quarter boxes, and a bunch of half boxes. So not too big of an order, but very pretty kits, and I'm excited for summer to get here. I keep buying these beach kits, and I know I'm not going to the beach because the beach ain't warm here. The water is frigid year-round. The next order is from GreenDarner Designs. BeyondPaperFlowers is in the April cycle, but I don't think GreenDarner is. So I got a few different things from her. Let's start with the freebies, like always. Oops. I left one in the cello bag. Hang on. It's coming. Come out, little friend. Oh. It's Zazu. It's a little die cut of Zazu from The Lion King. And I think all her tiered freebies were Lion King themed. But she had this freebie here, which was more fall. Your Hakuna Matata. And then a Inspire Ever After, which I know Inspire Ever After is in the April cycle. And the April theme is spring. So there's all the freebies from GreenDarner Designs. And the first sheet that I got were these mini work scripts. And it's just, this is a bit of a smoother matte. So it doesn't have a lot of texture to it, so it kind of looks a little glossy from the printing. And honestly, it kind of feels like laser printing. But I did get one kit from her. She does a la carte, so I just got what I wanted. It's called The Shire, and oh my gosh. See what I mean about the little bit of shininess to the printing? But it's The Shire. And it's like a photo kit. It's not cartoony. So I really like this one. I don't know when I'm using it. But the sheets that I bought were the full boxes. Let me make sure I get this right. Yeah, so Hobbit, Hobbiton, The Shire photo stock. I got yeah, okay, so this is sheet 3, the full boxes. And then this is the washi sheet with the date covers and a set of glitter headers. And this is sheet 1. And then this is the functional, which is sheet 6. And this is your half boxes, which is sheet 5. And it has some functionals up here, a weekend banner. So I feel like that was a pretty good way to build your own kit. I will tell you, the reason I think this is laser printed and not inkjet, or maybe her paper or something is odd, is right here on these stickers, which I'm not going to contact her about this. There's like a little mar on both of these. And I know that laser printing will sometimes crack. So just keep that in mind if you're somebody that pulls up a lot of stickers. And I'm going to have to keep that in mind when I'm using this kit, because I do pull up stickers and I don't use undo. So that is GreenDarner Design. And that's Darner with a D. So Green Darner, Delta Alpha Romeo November Echo Romeo. And then the last shop that I got was CheerfulPlannerGirl. CheerfulPlannerGirl is also in the April cycle. So I know for sure that BeyondPaperFlowers and CheerfulPlannerGirl are in the April sale. That's funny. Yeah, so it's this weekend right here. But let's jump into this one. And I have CheerfulPlannerGirl, and a long time ago I ordered from her, and I don't remember what the deal was. Oh, I think that was back before she changed her paper, and I don't remember why I didn't go back, but I love her little minis. Let's start with the freebies. So I had put a note to seller for Kayla, and this is Kayla's freebie. I also put in the Facebook group, and I don't know which one, or oh, it's a different one. Okay, so this was her TPC freebie for the 90s theme in March, and the next sale here, if you see, is April 9th through the 13th. And this is Craft Penguin Planner. I got a sample pack. Craft Penguin Planner. She is in the sale. She made her little penguins into trolls. And then Inspire Ever After, which you guys saw in the other set. And this is Planning with Manny. This one's Coffee Break Planner. This one is the sticker patch, and I know she's in the sale. And then this was a BeyondPaperFlowers, and it's one of those where you, what do you call those? A flip out, where you like fold it down here and then fold this back on itself and then it flips. And this is a CD. I mean, we all know. I mean, everybody that's probably watching this knows what CD is. The other thing was this freebie. Oh, this was the Facebook group member freebie. So this is a Toy Story themed freebie, and obviously her little TPC one goes with it, so that's really, really cute. Definitely could pull in some other stuff for this, but these will probably go in my brain dump planner. Before the chaos of the world that is today, I always ordered my groceries and had them delivered to my house or went and picked them up. And the closer we got into the situation that we're in now, I was picking up more than I was getting delivery, because delivery windows are out for over a week, and I don't know what I'm gonna need in 2 weeks for food, so that's a thing. But anyway, she had a script that said order groceries, so I'm sure when life gets back to normal, these will come in really handy, because I order groceries one day and normally go pick them up either the next day or the day of, depending on when I get it done. Now, so I ordered this, and then I ordered this. This kit is called Life Will Find a Way. I am a huge Jurassic Park fan. And it's so funny because my little sister, who is 12 years younger than me, is a huge Jurassic Park fan. So it's just so funny. And my son as well, he loves Jurassic Park, and I got this kit to do his memory spread for his birthday. So first up in her kits, this is a full kit. She does a lot of mini kits and things like that. So I have the deco here, and this is the original Jurassic Park from 1993. Was it 93? I feel like it was 93, but don't hold me to that, I could be wrong. And then we have the header functional page, so I have some sidebar headers, little things to do today, a quote box, a ombre checklist, no, a checklist box with little T-Rexes. Are those T-Rexes or raptors? See, I just don't know, because they don't have the big, oh, I guess he does have a big toe, so I guess those are raptors. And then we have some stitched boxes and the little flagged paper clip. The second page here has the washi, date cover-ups, set of glitter headers, some bow dividers or headers, some printed washi or headers. Then you have various icons and a weekend banner. And then this is the last page, and you have your full box with full boxes, and you have your characters and some dinosaurs. So you have a T-Rex, a Dilophosaurus, and a Velociraptor. Now, this is Malcolm. That's Dr. Grant. That's... Now I feel like I'm crazy. This is Dr. Sadler. Oh my gosh, Nedry. Why can't I can never remember his name. My sister would shoot me right now. Oh, I can't remember. But yeah, so we have those guys. And then we have some decorative half boxes, another weekly box, some flags, some half circles, and then some 3 dino check flags. So that is everything that I got from the March cycle of TPC. And I'm so happy that I joined the TPC Facebook group. I don't even remember how I stumbled in there, but it has definitely opened me up to shops that I would have never found. I knew about CheerfulPlannerGirl, but I would have never found GreenDarner Designs. I would have never found BeyondPaperFlowers. That is the one thing, is that her logo is like right in the middle of that page, and I don't even, oh, it's down there on the other one. So she kind of just moves it around to wherever it fits. But yeah, I'm super excited about the new shops that I've found. And honestly, if you guys haven't seen CLLK Designs, definitely go check her out on YouTube. She's very funny, and she tells great stories. Like, I wish I could tell stories and keep my train of thought and plan at the same time, but I can't. I have proven that over and over and over again. But this was a Sarah haul for you, and I don't have anything currently on order. Now, I'm trying to be good in the state of the world and not blow too much money on stickers, because like I said, it's been a couple weeks since I did a video. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will get back to getting some other stuff up real soon here. Just really hope everybody out there is safe, happy, and healthy, and stay home, stay safe if you can. I work for an essential company, so I am still working and interacting with the public every day. So I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.